Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your specialist. So I'm looking at an Alliance 2025, and it is a 23 ml. I had to turn around and take a peek. But the customer is here for some warranty work for Alliance, but also while the unit was here, they went ahead and elected to have us upgrade the suspension to the Roadmaster Super Spring kit with the shocks. And so if you haven't seen our other videos, I know I talk about it a lot, but it's one of the best suspensions out there. On this one, I'll go up and try to take a closer look on it to show you. They're in the middle of putting it together, Gino and Byron. And the springs are so much thicker and nicer compared to the stock stuff. Of course, it's going to have shocks now as well. The shocks and the springs are lifetime guaranteed, as well as the the quality of the ride changes so much. And then it also helps, of course, remove all the G-forces and dampening the coach and make it just a much smoother ride. I think the thing I would say is going from like riding around in a Pinto, if you guys remember what a Pinto is, to a Cadillac. So much better ride. And then the system is just we haven't had not one failure. So I think we've been installing these now for at least 8 years. We've installed hundreds of them. Just this week alone, I think this is number 3 or number 2. I think there's a third one coming this week, but we usually do anywhere from like 1 to 3 a week. And sometimes more, just depends, but it's such a way better update. I'm gonna walk over here a little bit closer and turn this around. Keep in mind, I'm not photogenic. I'm not using any word props or mics or stands or GoPros or any of that kind of fun stuff. So here's the guys, oops, I got too close. Here's the guys doing their thing, and I'm trying to look at my phone to get it down here for you at the same time. So the springs, here's the shocks. He's getting ready to put all this hardware on there. So anyways, check out the other videos. They'll show you more of the components and the stuff on it. But I just wanted to say this is the first Alliance that we've done a Roadmaster kit on. And another thing that's kind of crucial, so why it just happened to be the luck of the draw. They put this up in the air this morning to start on it, and today is Tuesday the 24th. And as they were lifting it up in the air and putting the jack stands underneath and dropping the tires off of it, they came in and said, "Hey boss, we got 4 frame cracks on the I-beams." So I've already took the pictures, submitted them to Alliance, and I'm waiting to hear back. And then I'm getting ready to contact the customer to just say, "Hey, you got frame cracks that you didn't know about, and luckily for you that you did the suspension." Right now they're not very long. They're probably 1.5 to 2 inches, something along those lines. It's not like a safety issue or anything like that. It's just from the I-beams, and we don't know why. It's on a lippert frame. We don't know why that they're cracking the way they do. We don't know if it's because they're so tall. We don't know if it's a combination of like the hitches, the pin boxes, the trucks, how the person drives. We don't know if it's because of the going in and out of hard turns or driveways, up and down, off curbs, speed bumps, potholes, whatever. But just keep an eye out on your frame. Most of the other manufacturers that we've been coming across this, they've been covering it. And so whether you're a first owner, second owner, third owner, most of the time they've been approving us to do it. But there's not a lot of shops out there that are doing the frame welds and the repairs. And I think it's just probably more so from everybody freaking out from all the front end frame flex that everybody's always talking about. But anyways, I will talk to you soon. Sorry for the background noise. We got a street right there, and I'm up front close to one of our buildings. We have 3 here. And I said I'm not wearing a mic, and so yeah, I've got them, but I'm too busy for that. But anyways, I came out here to check on my guys, and I just did a couple videos, so I want to show you what's going on the lot, and we will talk to you soon. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you out there.